रसगुल्ला किसका है?
अमर, हमारा भी नहीं, रसगुल्ला अमर, वहीं पे एंड ऑफ डिस्कशन.
Today we have with us a very special guest, the viral girl who is going all gaga definitely for all the right reasons. She has shut everyone up with that one-liner. Hello Sthiti Padma, welcome to Odisha Links.
Thank you so much, Avati. Hello, namaskar.
So, we saw that particular part of the video.
Yeah.
What happened beyond that? What was more interesting? You tell us something more about it.
Sure. So the part that was telecasted, it was just because there was a conflict and there was a discussion about this one thing, that Rasagolla belongs to whom or to which state, to be more exact and more appropriate. Is it the Bengalis, like it belongs to the Bengalis, or to us, the Odias? So I think this discussion was held before also, before my audition. That's why the question was put when they got to know that I'm from Cuttack, Odisha, and that's why they were like, oh. So they started like asking the same questions that kiska hai? So, and also to be very honest, all us, like all the Odias, they have this thing inside them that ye to hamara amar jinsa at the end of the day, that is what we know and that is what we believe, mind and heart. So बोलते ना भड़ास निकाला. So वहाँ पे पूरे मतलब from the day the conflict started till now or till that date, this bhadas was there and I just decided to just take it out. Amara, and I wanted to somehow hint about our Jagannath Sanskriti, about our culture, about our tradition, and I didn't want to elongate the whole thing. So I just wanted to just find one tagline that would fit everything in. So it just clicked and it nikal gaya.
Jai Jagannath.
Yeah, Jai Jagannath, hands down.
Yeah. It takes really some guts to promote your culture and promote your Sanskriti on a national platform like that. Kudos to you for that. Then you might have stayed there for a while.
Yeah.
Did you have teammates? Did you interact with them? How was the interaction?
Yeah, right after the auditions, when we went back to the holding area where we were sitting for the further things, actually the thing is a lot of Bengalis were there. Like maximum contestants were from West Bengal, and there were only like 3 from Odisha for the first theatre round. So it was after like all this conversation and everything, that thing, everyone started discussing about it there only. So I was like, shall I go in? Shall I go in? This thing is going to this is going to just blow up. Will they accept me as their friend now? I was thinking this. Then I went in and they asked कि ये क्यों बोला तुमने? And then again this Odia thing that I have, my nature again just came up कि अगर तुम्हारे पास जगन्नाथ संस्कृति से पुराना और उससे ज़्यादा बड़ा कुछ है, then tell me and then we'll start discussing, because from there the discussion will start. Till then कुछ नहीं है, वहीं से शुरू होगा.
Savage. So now that we know you actually met some Bengali friends. Then after that, following up the audition,
yeah.
Did any interaction happen? Did you actually make friends with them?
I did. Even now I'm in contact with them, and oh God, they're so nice and they're so gentle and they are so open-minded that they're not stuck on that one thing, because this one thing I got to know, that these conflicts and everything, Bengali, Odia, all of these things are beyond, that's another part of the story. And when it comes to friendship and bonding, it's another thing. And when it comes to music, nothing of this matters. We all become we just...
Yeah.
Music, no, you're my enemy now, go away. Like this. And when it comes to supporting your friend or a fellow participant, one singer will be singing and we all will be starting out, standing and howling and cheering for that person. So that's how things were there. I still have them and they are congratulating me for this whole thing that is going on, this viral thing that अरे यार तू तो viral हो गई, अभी हमको भूल जाएगी, and all of these things. So they are not really stuck on that thing that ये क्यों बोल के आई.
Right.
Yeah, so that's not there.
That's one nice thing to hear. That's the friendships and bonds are beyond these conflicts.
True.
Yeah. So tell me, this all happened, a pick of a moment, the video took off, there were millions of views, people were congratulating you. How did you react to that?
To be very honest, while the video went viral or something, I was in the bus going back home after giving my exams. I didn't even know that this thing was telecasted. I was studying for my exams all tensed up because I was not here for months. I was there. I didn't know what was coming. I was just, sir, help me out. What is coming? Or what is there in the exams? And I was just, learning things up. I was just going back home, and that's when my friends called me and told me that, is this you? Because last year I was looking a little bit different than now because I lost a lot of weight, so they were not able to recognize me.
Okay.
Is this you? They were asking me from the way they know how I speak. So from the way I spoke there, is this you? Yeah, this is me. This thing is going viral, just check. And then I checked, and then I was like, okay, great. And then phone calls started and the wishing, and people started coming home. And I started going outside, and all of these things happened within 1.5 days. Crazy. That's the only word I know, crazy. And I'm so thankful and so grateful to each and every person of this state and each and every Odia here and beyond the state or outside, living outside. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath, बहुत धन्यवाद. एमती आशीर्वाद करता हूँ तो, and thank you so much. That's all I have to say.
Right. So we'll wrap it up with now that we know that everyone, I think most of the Odias right now know you, okay, then know that you went to a national platform and you put forth our culture in there. So what are you looking at now?
To be very honest, if they gave this thing the tagline, I just wanted them to give the performance as well, which happened right after this conversation actually. This whole Savagegiri and everything was a part of it. I went there to perform, and I performed. I got a chartbuster and I got selected, and everyone was very happy. The jury was very happy, judges were very happy. They didn't telecast it, it's fine though. But I just wanted that to happen. Presently, I just want to say one thing, that I am just not this. I am an Odia, but I am also an artist, so there's a lot more that I have to showcase. So I just want a chance to showcase what happened there and what they didn't show. That could have been, something else. हमारी बच्ची गई थी, ये गा के आई. This thing I wanted, but this is not there. So I just want that, my fellow Odias and everyone to see that थोड़ा बहुत गा भी लेते हैं यार.
तो चलो कुछ गा के सुना दो.
अभी?
हाँ.
क्या गाऊं?
Anything casual. You don't necessarily have to sing what you performed over there.
Yeah.
You can sing anything you want.
Jagannath bhajan गा लूं एक?
Very good.
That will go with the thing also.
Yeah,
okay. Jagannath ho kichi magu nahi tote. Jai Jagannath.
You're all goosebumps now. Thank you, Sthiti. Thank you so much for talking to us. It was lovely having you at Today Salings.
Same, thank you so much. Thank you so much.